Here you go, huh?
See, this thing ain't gonna fit. See how that?
But look, the number. Do you take in consideration the serial number? I don't know. It's why I was trying to find somebody who really knows.
Yeah, find somebody that really knows.
Yeah.
We just gonna see if we can compare them while you're doing that.
Yeah, because it's a season. Everybody's.
Yeah.
And then got the wrong hole. If you like that.
Yep. Jay, hey, what we doing?
Check up here and shit.
Ain't got no rake handle?
No. They come over here, you don't fit. That's good. You know what I'm talking about? Like going in your jacket.
Yeah. She said the blade's down there, but we don't have the size.
Down here is proof.
Down there?
Nah, we good, brother. I appreciate it. How you doing? Oh, man.
21, 20,
No blade again. They just don't want us to have a blade today, huh? Shit ain't looking good, is it, huh?
Forget.
I don't see shit.
No plan.
That's telling me the inches, right, man? We need a 19, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't see. Damn. I see everything but 19. 21, 20, 22, 30.
I got 3 or 4 old blades down there, I believe you saw them.
It might work.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Off the lawnmower head last
Oh, you
year.
talking about at home?
Blade.
At home.
Yeah,
It might work.
that's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
I'm a clock. My little
Fuck it, huh? Fuck it.
maybe we'll get up there. But saw the end of the hat stuff.
Damn. So you don't think you want to go back and try that 20 blade that we found at the other store? What you want to do?
Right, with 20, yeah. Okay.
Are you looking for the blade?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's right. When we need help, everybody. Busy.
That's right. We need help. Can't find it, right?
Yeah, because they are doing.
Busy.
Because it's the season too.
Oh.
I'll have to find this position. Or
Looks like, do they cost a little bit more here? Mm. Mm. I don't know, huh? I don't know, brother. I don't know. Not looking good for the home team. Young, who's Young? Is that your quarterback now?
Yeah, he got a job right here, man.
Oh, okay.
Where,
I don't know. She got it. Hey, excuse me. Hey, ma'am. No, I want that blade. Can I have that blade so I can match him up? Yeah, I'm gonna help while you out. You know. Yeah, while you do a visual. Yeah, we're gonna see what we're gonna do. We're gonna. I'm just documenting my uncle's visit. That's all. I'm just documenting his visit. But we're gonna. Here you go, huh?
see, this thing ain't gonna fit. See how that?
But look, the number. Don't you take in consideration the serial number? I don't know. It's why I was trying to find somebody who really knows.
Yeah, find somebody that really knows.
Yeah.
We just gonna see if we can compare them while you're doing that.
Yeah, because it's a season. Everybody's.
Yeah.
And then got the wrong hole. If you like that.
Yep.
Swing. Can't tell where it hook like.
No, you can't.
Right.
Bad dude right there.
What is that? The jacket of Vegas.
910.
You want to check a pen shit?